Imagine having access to countless channels without paying a dime. Intrigued? Welcome to the world of free IPTV, where endless entertainment awaits you. Fed up with rising cable fees and limited options? Say goodbye to these worries. In this video, I'll show you how to access IPTV free of charge. First, let's discuss the process of setting up your IPTV for free enjoyment. Using internet searches wisely, discover platforms offering free IPTV trials. These trials can unlock a world of content without upfront costs. Now, here's a secret: some of these free services provide phenomenal coverage. But remember, not all free services offer what they promise. Research is key. Speaking of reliable services, let's spotlight 2TV.store, an outstanding IPTV provider. Although it's not free, it provides unparalleled service and content options. With 2TV.store, you gain access to an impressive lineup of global channels. Using testimonies from users, it's hailed for its reliability and diversity of content. For those seeking quality, it beats free alternatives in the long run. In conclusion, free IPTV is possible but comes with trade-offs of quality and availability. Choose wisely and enjoy exploring the dynamic world of IPTV entertainment today.